So many parents are asking me how to log in to GNSPES. So I'm going to give a quick little video tutorial on how to do that. The first thing to remember is that the best browser to use is Chrome. And up in the address bar, students can type gnspes.ca. And there they can log into their GNSPES account. Now, it will, if you're using Chrome, it will remember your GNSPES login. So that's one of the advantages to using Chrome. Now, I am going to use one of our students' login information just so you can see what students see. So you can type from their secret ID card, or students should be doing this, not parents also. And students have done this a lot in school, so this is not new to any of the students in my classroom. So they can type the first part of their GNSPES email address. They do not need to include the @GNSPES. And then they can type the password, which again is on their secret login card. They all have it memorized. So again, you should not have to do this for your students. They sign in and then they will be taken to a launch page. This is what we call a launch page. Now to go to Google Classroom, they can go here to Google Classroom. They can also go to Gmail or they can go to Google Drive. When they go to Google Classroom, this is what they will see. It will load. And they can simply click on my name to enter my Google Classroom. And then there are a couple of different options, a stream and classwork. In the stream, I'll post things that they can complete. And until we get any direction from the board, I won't be posting new things here. I won't be posting any classwork that is required. I will try to keep my website updated, but there will be nothing new posted until I get direction from the ECD and our Regional Center for Education. So they can go there. And so, for instance, they can go and they can see if they are looking for something to do these days. I'd love for them to complete that "How are you doing?" survey. They can also complete some emails. I've put their emails so they can send each other emails. There's also an online timer, some subtraction splat games. And then classwork is where any assignments are posted. So again, they could play any of the things that they've been doing before, code.org, spelling practice, instructional writing, Free Write Friday, any of those things. They'll also find links to Epic Books and typing.com in there. So they are welcome to do any of those things that they are comfortable doing already that don't require new instruction. Now they can go up here to the waffle, and that is where they can see all the Google apps. I'm going to show you now how they can send email. So they can simply go to Gmail by clicking on that icon. Their Gmail will load, and there'll be lots of email in there from me of things that they've been assigned in the past. Now they can certainly clean up their email boxes and get rid of all of those old emails if they want by clicking on delete the garbage can, and that will allow them to clean up their inbox. And again, they can do this for all of their old emails to get rid of it. So now they have no old mail. Now they can simply press compose and they can start typing a message. And I encourage them to send me a message. And if they could put in the subject their name, and that would be great. And I'm from Nabil. And I'm just going to do a little sample of an email that they could send me. And then I would encourage them to add some detail in their writing, tell me what they're doing, with lots of proper punctuation, uppercase letters where they need them, and always a proper ending from their email. And again, please don't just send me a couple of lines, add lots of detail. I have been reading the Clifford books you won't believe. I love his silly adventures. I also baked chocolate chip cookies with my big sister. Okay, and then okay, I'm sending that as if I were Nabil. It's coming from me to me from Nabil, and then I would click send. Now, students can see anything that they've sent in their sent box. It's going to show up there. Um, and if they want to go to Google Drive, they can also do that. And they can create new documents, new slideshows, um, yeah, and also drawings in there as well. So those are the things that I've showed them how to do. I've showed them how to create Google Docs, Google Slides, and Google Drawings. They can do any of those things, and you can see some of the things that they've already been working on. So those are some quick tips for you on how you can support your student until we get better direction from our Department of Education and School Board.